Hi everyone. I'm Mohammed Nazmul and today I'm excited to showcase a high-performance, real-time messaging ecosystem built with a microservices-first mindset. This isn't just another chat app. It's a study in distributed systems. On the front end, I'm running Next.js 15 and React 19 for a responsive UI. On the back end, I've built a decoupled Node.js and TypeScript architecture. My primary goal was to discover microservices methodology and asynchronous architecture. By using RabbitMQ, I've ensured that the system remains responsive and robust. Now, let's dive into how it works. Let's look at the onboarding. To keep things secure and frictionless, I've implemented a passwordless login system. When I enter my email, the user service triggers an isolated authentication flow. First, it generates a 6-digit OTP and stores it in Redis with a 5-minute expiration. This ensures we aren't hitting the primary database for short-lived verification data. Now, to keep the UI snappy, the service doesn't send the email directly. Instead, it publishes a task to RabbitMQ. My email service, a dedicated background consumer, picks up that task and handles the mailing via NodeMailer. This decoupling means the user never experiences lag from a mail server. The heavy lifting happens entirely in the background while the front end stays responsive for the verification step. Now, let's see the real-time presence in action. On the left, I'm logged in as Nazmul. On the right, I'm logging in as Mohammed. Watch the sidebar on Nazmul's screen. The moment Mohammed verifies his OTP and connects, his status instantly switches from offline to online. This is powered by Socket.io. The server tracks every active socket and broadcasts an online event the instant a handshake completes. No polling, no refreshing, just pure, event-driven updates. With both users online, communication is instant. When a message is sent via WebSocket, it's saved to MongoDB and routed immediately to the recipient's chat. As you can see, the message appears instantly. Once opened, a seen receipt triggers back to the sender. This microservices architecture ensures that even as we scale, the experience remains fast, secure, and perfectly in sync. For media, I've integrated Cloudinary. When I attach an image, it's processed via Multer, optimized in the cloud, and the high-speed URL is shared instantly. The result is a fluid, zero-refresh experience that feels native. In summary, this project explores scalable, event-driven systems. By using RabbitMQ and Socket.io, I've built a platform that is fast, resilient, and architecturally sound. I'm focused on combining microservices with high-performance UIs to create seamless user experiences. Thanks for watching.